giving advice or suggestion, and telling agreement and disagreement. This is the example of conversation between Keisa and Desta. What caused your tooth hurt? The dentist said that there is a cavity in one of my teeth. How come? I ate too many sugary food. So, you should eat less sweet food. Yeah, that's right. And I should brush my teeth twice a day regularly. You have a jar of candy in your room, don't you? Yes, I do. Why? Hmm, I will keep it for you. You can ask me if you want some, but I will make sure it is not too often to you to eat candy. What do you think? That's a good idea, Keisa. Here is the jar. I hope it will work. Let's see. Thanks anyway. You are welcome.